The process and importance of the digestive system. Very few of us wake up each morning thinking of our digestive system. I don't know about you, but when I decide to have breakfast in the mornings, I don't consider what I should eat, what is the healthiest choice, where will this food go to inside of my body, and what will happen to it. Will it benefit me? Although these are things that I should consider, especially because the digestive system is very important and beneficial to our health. When we eat, our digestive system creates nutrients from the food that is broken down by chewing and the saliva glands that are inside of our mouths. The nutrients that are created inside our digestive system supplies our bodies with energy, cell repair, and helps our nails, hair, and bodies to grow. A few nutrients that supply us with the energy that we need include, but are not limited to, proteins, carbohydrates, and fat. I quote from Livestrong, cells make up every part of your body, and they require nutrients to grow and repair properly. While all the vitamins and minerals you eat contribute to healthy cells, certain ones play a larger role in the function, such as vitamin A, phosphorus, and zinc. Quote, vitamin A aids in cell health and contributes to healing and repair. Phosphorus is a mineral that aids in growth and repair. You can obtain phosphorus by eating meats, nuts, and fish. Zinc, however, aids in growth, and it is a mineral and is very important in pregnancy, infancy, and childhood. I'm assuming that this is why our nutritionists continue to tell us to eat healthier foods. Not only does eating healthier food help you to maintain weight, but it leads to a healthier body by nutrients that it provides. Those nutrients are created from the food we eat by our digestive system, keeps us alive and well. Nutrients help prevent diseases and to maintain the body that we have when we do have a disease such as diabetes. Digestion also benefits other organs such as the liver and the pancreas. The pancreas shares a duct system with the liver in which we call the biliary tree. Both the pancreas and the liver are in the digestive tract. The pancreas produces digestive liquid and hormones that is released into the duodenum, which is part of the intestine. It plays a major role in the process of digestion. It takes the food you eat, breaks it down into smaller, simple molecules that are necessary for the functioning of the body. The importance of the liver is significant to digestion because it detoxifies and helps the process of digestion. I have explained the importance of digestion and the digestive system. Now let's cover the breakdown. Properly chewing your food is not only beneficial, but it is crucial for the digestion process. Chewing your food as good as you can aids in an easier breakdown to allow molecules to be made. I quote from Enchanted Learning, food is partly broken down by the process of chewing and by the chemical action of salivary glands. Salivary enzymes. These enzymes are produced by the salivary glands and broke down starches into smaller molecules. Once you chew up your food, you then swallow it and it enters into the esophagus, which is the first organ in the digestion process. The esophagus takes the food to the stomach using a process called peristalsis, which is a rhythmic wave-like motion. Let's talk about the travel of our food. Where exactly does it go once we swallow it? What is the process of digestion? Once the food is swallowed, it enters into the second organ called the stomach. It is located on the left side of the abdomen. The stomach receives food from the esophagus through a muscular valve called the lower esophageal sphincter. Our stomach muscles help break down the food even more. Acids and enzymes are released to perform a chemical breakdown. This creates digestive juices that are then moved into the small intestine, which is the third organ in the digestive system process by peristalsis. The small intestine and large intestine is a long tube that leads from the stomach to the anus where waste is released after being stored. I quote from a government website, the muscles of the small intestine mix food with digestive juices from the pancreas, liver, and intestine and move the mixture forward to help us with further digestion. The small intestine absorbs the nutrients and releases them into the bloodstream. Here's where the large intestine steps in. The waste that I spoke about earlier is undigested food that is pushed through the large intestine and stored in the rectum, where it is later pushed out of the anus by bowel movement. In conclusion, I can't stress enough about the importance of the digestive system. It provides the body with nutrients that gives us energy, aids in growth and cell repair, and our food is broken down into smaller molecules after being chewed with the help of our saliva glands and peristalsis. The food travels from the esophagus to our stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and exits through the anus after being stored in the rectum. We need to make sure that our digestive system works properly in order to obtain the adequate amount of nutrients for a healthy lifestyle.